Okay, so right here I just want to chime in a little bit and interrupt the video because I want to put some context to what's going on. Pretty much we're going to trade my 66 Cortina for a Legends car. And I didn't really feel like shoving a camera in the face of the guy that had the Legends car, so I just left it in the car and I took some photos, which I will put up on the screen right here, so you can see what it looked like with the Cortina next to the Legends car and stuff like that. So pretty much everything you see from now on and forward in the video is after we picked up the Legends car and dropped off the Cortina with the new owner. So I guess back to the video. Alright, so it's the next day, the day after picking up the Legends, and we got a couple things to do. We gotta go over the car and make sure everything's alright, and it leaks a little bit, but we're gonna try and test drive it first and foremost. And then when buying a used car, there's one thing you always had to do, and that's remove all the stickers. Now that we started digging into it a little bit, we found some sketchy shit that's gonna need to be fixed. So first of all, battery was absolutely shot, so getting a new battery. The ground strap went from the negative terminal to the mounting bracket and it was loose. So making a new ground strap connecting point. All the power wires were loose, and yeah, I think this car really needs a good once over before we start using it for real. But with that said, I am currently waiting for a new battery to come here, and meanwhile I'm gonna rip off some stickers. And since the weather is somewhat cold, I'm guessing I'm gonna need to actually use a heat gun. Big white spot. Looks very raw, and I really like it. Stuff like that, white spot right there. This sticker that didn't want to peel off at all and ripped all the paint with it, as well as that one. It's gonna have to get fixed eventually, but it's not on the schedule for today nor the near future, so. Oh man, it's looking cool. Wow. It seriously looks really wicked, right like this. Like it looks super mean. so we just saw some clips of varying quality. I want to try and find somewhere to put the camera down so I can actually sit and talk to you guys. Open, very nice, indeed. I think that's probably something. Yeah, so you just saw a couple of clips of us driving the car for the first time ever, and I think we quite quickly realized that we don't want to have this as a Legends Series race car. We more just want to have this as a fun toy. So the plan is to do some upgrades that would make it, if I'm correct that is, the plan is to do some upgrades to it that would make it illegal for it to run in a Legends race series, but it will make it like not necessarily more safe, but I guess we would have more control and knowledge over everything. So for example, you're not allowed to install extra sensors, and to me that's a necessity to actually know what's going on. So we're gonna do some stuff like that, but firstly now the oil cooler is leaking, so we're gonna remove that, see if we can either repair that one or get another one. And alright, so we're back in here again, and this is one of those points where I messed up really badly and didn't record anything of us fixing the actual car. So instead of showing you a bunch of footage of us swapping over to a new oil cooler setup, having new broken gauges and having a lot of electrical issues and stuff like that, we might as well just jump straight into track footage. So instead of watching me drive this car on a sim rig, let's just jump straight into me driving this car for real.